Hi guys, welcome to Dr. Nora's Clinic. With me today I've got the brand new iPhone 11 Pro and we're going to be checking out the health functionality to see if it's improved at all from an older iPhone 8. Now before we get going with the health functionality, I recommend that you do some basic warm-up stretches. It can be something simple, stretching your arms, and if you guys want to join me, join in with the fun. So getting those legs stretched, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and really getting into the zone, preparing your body for a workout. Take in some nice deep breaths whilst you stretch those muscles. Give your muscles oxygen so that they can thrive and get bigger. Stretching. Focusing on which muscle groups you're stretching. Now you're warmed up and you're ready to go, and I'm going to be testing out the major feature of the health functionality, which is the pedometer. Now for me this is super important and I want to see any discrepancies between an older iPhone versus the iPhone 11. Over on the iPhone 11 I'm starting off at 2,550 steps and on the iPhone 8 788. So I'm going to see how close they get after I've done a nice long jog along the beach. Come, let's go together. You ready? Let's do this. Now we've all heard of the magical 10,000 steps a day, but where did that number even come from? Well, we recommend that if you do 30 minutes of sort of running around and going to the gym, it tends to translate to about 6,000 to 7,000 steps. And for those of you who've got a normal life, normal day-to-day job, you tend to do about 3,000 to 4,000 steps a day. So if you add up your 3,000 to 4,000 steps plus your 6,000 to 7,000 steps, it makes a nice round number of 10,000 steps. Personally, I try to aim for at least 5,000 today, just to get myself moving up, shaking it, making sure that my heart is nice and pumped up. Now there are two main ways of jogging. There is low intensity jogging, which helps to get you in the fat burning zone so you lose fat, and there's also high intensity jogging, which aims to get your heart rate nice and high so that you're burning calories, and it's great for cardiovascular health. My recommendation would be to see which one you like to go for first and don't overpush yourself and make sure you're nice and comfortable. Woo! Oh my gosh, I have to say, I am so out of breath. Jogging in the water gives you a bit of resistance, so you're increasing the amount of calories and fat that you're burning off. Fantastic. All right, we're coming up to a surf lesson for children. We're going to jog away from them so we don't collide. And I jog all the way from over there to over here. And I don't know how many steps that is, but that's what I got my phones for, so let's go and check it out. Okay, so let's take a look together. Okay, so the iPhone 8 has picked up 2,089 steps and the iPhone 11 3,883 steps. So the iPhone 11 has counted 1,335 steps and the iPhone 8 1,301 steps. So I'd say that's a small difference within a margin of error. Now, is it worthwhile upgrading from an iPhone 8 to an iPhone 11 for that particular health feature? I'll probably say not. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. And of course, before I let you guys go, it's time to warm down those muscles, make sure we don't get any muscle sprains. Whew. Great workout, Dr. Nora. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed that episode. And as always, if you have any comments or suggestions, don't hesitate to drop me a line in the comment section below. And what is this around my neck? Well, it is a Bluetooth-enabled digital stethoscope, which will allow me to listen to my heart sounds, record it, and give you guys a live feed of what it sounds like. So if you're interested in this, make sure you sub up to Dr. Nora, because my next episode is going to be exclusively on heart sounds. But for now, take care and stay healthy.